Hey y'all, it's Agent Simone and I'm back with another video. Lips popping, skin glowing, energy flowing. So I know it has been a while since y'all have seen me. I apologize already in advance. But you know, I've been busy. College is my first semester, as I told y'all, my first year, first semester, all that. But today is Turkey Day. Today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. Even though you guys are probably seeing this like 2 weeks later, but today is Thanksgiving, so I'ma still tell y'all. And yeah, because I bopped with y'all. I just want to get a little update. So that's where I've been. Hopefully y'all get a video this Sunday. Probably the other video. So mine is so like late. Maybe I'll throw this in here first. I don't know. I just need to get some video out because I miss y'all. And consistency is key. And what am I doing? But I'm trying. I just think I got me a little vibe on today. A little brown. You know, I got some stuff coming in too, so y'all gonna see some more trying hauls if y'all like that. I seen that did go up, like that did. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I got y'all. I'm doing what I like though too. So I'm doing what I like, seeing what y'all like, and then we gonna collab cohesively. But enough of my little spill. Give me a little life update. That's where we're at today. We have an unboxing, as you can see from the title. Yes, it is Curlbox again. Curlbox, they gonna sponsor me one day. So yeah, and also I really like them, so I'm gonna just keep supporting them. If somebody doing good, they doing good. You know, we need to feed into our community, and I'm supporting a black business, and that's doing good, and you're not cheating nobody, and they really giving you deals. Like, trying to tell y'all, really tap in even for yourselves. So this is Curlbox. Like I said, this is actually like their Evolve maintenance collab they had. So it's a bunch of hair products in here. Well, I know, well, not hair products like that. I know it's hair products. It's like a bunch of hair care. Y'all gonna see. It's different. It's definitely different from what I've been showing y'all from Curlbox. I've got like a couple of things from Curlbox that y'all seen, and it's like hair, like styling products, but no, these are different. So it's in a cute pink box. See, they're doing the box now. I like that. So this is the box, and it's very pink, very cute. I love it. This is what it looks inside. Got some black wrapping a little bit. Like I said, you got this little the cards. These are the cards, and it says it's a toolbox. So I can see that. Always very cute. The packaging is always very cute. I don't want it to fall, but I'm gonna show you a little bit. Oh, that was good. It's not falling. Yep. So that's what the presentation looks like. Very cute. So let's get right into it. Get into it. I might put one of them on just to show y'all. You never know. Y'all gonna see. So again, these little cards. I won't show too much though. You know, buy it. You'll teach yourself. I don't want to do too much. I don't do too much. They don't want that. You know, I want y'all to still go get it. Because if I show it, you know, y'all ain't going to want it. So yeah, they got a little bit of this in here. They got a wrap in here. A scarf. I'm very excited. So that's cute. Like I said, if you go on the site, it'll show you what's in there too. So, especially only for these ones. So only the ones that are non-subscription. So that's cute. They got some other ones. I've never seen this brand before either, so I'm like very excited. Always introduce you to new brands for nice affordable prices, so definitely better than what this one. Like, I don't know what deal they got, but it's great. This is a turban, as y'all see, and all these things I use all of these. I can't wait to use all these. Like, I've used all of these before by different things. Like turbans is cute. A pillowcase. If y'all don't know, satin pillowcases, satin things are very good for your hair. It protects your hair at night, keeps that moisture in. It just keeps it like, instead of laying on, if you just went to sleep without a bonnet on, that'd be fine. You have a satin pillowcase though, so your oils that aren't just like moving around and just come out your hair. Because remember, your hair has a lot of oils like naturally already. Some more than others, some less than others. Whatever you have, you want to keep it in. So it's good to get this, and it's good to double protection. You know, much things, double protection with this and a bonnet or a scarf. Key. Okay, magnificent. Speaking of a bonnet, there's a bonnet here, as you see, and it's reversible bonnet, it says. And y'all don't even know. I see, you probably see with the collection they have, they picked all the animal print things. Fun fact, I love animal prints. Okay, if it's a print, it's an animal. I don't care if it's a zebra, tiger, lion, giraffe. I like animal prints. Like, I'm trying to get more into that, but they don't make them like they used to. But I'm gonna try to find some and get some. I just like having a nice little statement of an animal print. It is so cute. I don't care what it is, a snake, all of it. All right, and this is the last thing from the box. I already know, y'all know I already have one, so maybe I'll give it away. You know I'm new to the game, but I'm kind. I'm gonna give it away to somebody. This is that, as you see, just a little tangling brush. It was already bent back. That's how they put it in the box, but yeah, like I said, I don't need this. I have one. I got my tangle teaser, but you know, it's cute. It works the same. I've had one like this before. I had the black one like this, and it was bigger and stuff. But again, if you need it, let me know. It could be you. Is it you? Is it you? If you know the song, you know what I'm saying. Again, sorry for the angle. I have a surprise coming in tomorrow from when I'm making this. So in my next videos after this, you will see the quality and the difference, because I'm trying to evolve. Okay, I'm trying to get up. It's kind of funny. Evolve, you know. Hey, that's what I'm just talking about. But oh, I don't know. I'm gonna open up one for y'all so y'all can see something. I think I'll do the turban. I mean, it kind of makes sense, yeah. I was gonna do the scarf. Maybe I'll do the scarf another video. Maybe I'll do it this video. And I'll do another video. So let me know too when y'all want to see that. If y'all want to see me like show how to wrap a scarf. Oh, it said wash this item separately in cold water before and after use. Hold on. Wash this item separately in cold water before and after use to avoid dye running. Oh, guess what? I don't got time. I'll wash it next time though, but I don't got time. Because I'm not wearing it. I'm just putting it on. You know what I'm saying? Which is weird, but I'm not wearing it out. Because like this is not going with my vibe. This is cute though. Let me see. I think this is the back. And this is the front. Because the knot's at the front. But maybe not. Because that's weird. No, it's this. This is the front. Okay. I haven't worn a turban in so long. Don't come for me. So I'm just going to throw this on my head. Oh yeah, this would be so cute with something. I don't know what. It's even cute with this outfit a little bit. Because, you know, you see, I got it on. I got it on a little bit. I ain't missed to put it on. I missed to put it on. But this is cute. But nah, I'm not going to wear this today. I got other things to do. I want my hair out. I'm probably going to take these beads out, too. I do not want these in my head anymore. Because I've had this style for like a week. So I don't mind my hair. I'll have another video out for y'all soon. You know, I'm keeping them coming. I'm changing my hair. Y'all see that? I'm gonna do some more lifestyle too. I got some challenges. I got so many things in my head written down on my phone. I just gotta make time to bring it out to y'all. A break coming up though in between the semester, so I'll be dropping videos then. Period. So yeah, this is so cute. I don't really know what else to do. I'm chilling. Yeah, that's that. Really cute. Maybe I wish I had the scarf. Let me see. When I tell you I had a scarf, oh my gosh, I gotta get another one. I don't know what happened to it. These scarves, I was doing so good with it. I don't know. I think maybe I left it at my home place. I can't say hometown, but I'm at my hometown. But you know, my home house. I'm in college. I think I left it there because I cannot find it, and I had it before I left here. But anyway, you know, my room was big back there, so it's it lost in there. But yeah. So as soon as I find that, we'll be good. Oh, should I put the scarf on? I don't think I should see it. Yeah, no. Y'all see me style it in another video. I'll do a little, probably like a quick little wrap in my head. But like I said, it's Thanksgiving, it's Turkey Day in real time. I gotta go eventually, cause I gotta eat, hang out with the fam, laugh, you know. I'm back. They ain't seen me in a minute. I'm back on a little break from this college stuff. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. I keep myself in this frame. I can't wait for new stuff to come in, better quality. We're going up every day. I'm trying. Support me, support you, and let me know what you want to see. You gotta let me know. Cause I'm here for y'all. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in with the realest, the littest. It's a vibe. I'm a vibe. We a vibe. So subscribe. Maybe I'll start saying that. I don't know. That was cute. Okay.